Let us now see the next step of how we can create high quality content. The basic requirement for this is that the content which you would show to the user should be self-led and self-created. It should not be copied or something which you are replicating from someone else. This will ensure that your user finds something valuable. A simple rule to define this is, first think in line that it should be unique, means no one else has probably done the same thing. Also, it should be best, even if someone else has done it, in case, then you should create something better than him or her. And similarly, it should also be different. If maybe you're showing a recipe of pizza, your recipe should be different from the other 50 videos which are related to it. If you keep these points in mind and create your content, make it in the best presentable form, it will ensure that the end users definitely like it. To make this more precise, let us check out two channels on YouTube itself. One channel here is about yoga, where there is yoga practice videos being shown. And here is the important point. It is self-created content regarding yoga being shown by the YouTuber, and they are labeling it as something for beginners while giving a time frame within how much time it can be learned, and then showing the various steps of how it can be performed. So this is something important when you want to establish yourself as a good practitioner or as an expert of any particular topic of interest. Another channel here is about food recipes, where the end user has self-created the design, the content, and is uploading 2 to 3 video recipes each week regarding various different food which people are liking, and showing the exact mechanism in a nice way so as people would be interested. So maybe some of the recipes which are shown could be even shown by other chefs, but here the channel creator is ensuring it is different and a bit unique, as well as trying to be the best amongst all the people who are showcasing food recipes online. And that is something which can be a win-win situation, because that is an important element to outbid your competitor. With those points being said, a nice way which could help in this is about using scripts. What you can do is have a notepad handy with you, in which you first go ahead and script all the points which you are going to talk about in the video, in whatever format it may be, either screen recorded or either in front of camera. You document it step by step and include even detailed description if you are doing it for the very first time, so as you have more confidence. Secondly, if you are going to record any particular activity like a recipe, or maybe record even yourself doing some activity like maybe yoga or even cycling, or showing some health tips or bodybuilding tips, if you are going to come in front of the camera, it would be better to rehearse that complete activity so as it looks professional to the end user viewing your video. These simple tips of content creation can definitely ensure that you could be a successful YouTuber in very short span of time and get good amount of positive responses from people. So that's the important points of content creation. Let's see through further details in coming tutorials. Thank you.